Hey kids, let's go on a fun journey through the ABCs. Are you ready? Let's start! A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. E is for cat, it says meow. A is for dog, barking so loud. E is for elephant, big and strong. Is for fish, swimming along. E is for goat, jumping so high. Or just for helicopter, flying in the sky. Sing with me, dance around. Learn the letters sound by sound. B, C, D, clap your hands. Let's all learn and take a stand. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jug, full in my tummy. E is for kite, flying so high. A is for lion, king of the pride. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. L is for nest, home for the bees. A is for octopus, waving hello. W is for penguin, walking so slow. Sing with me, dance around. Learn the letters sound by sound. F, G, H, clap your hands. Let's all learn and take a stand. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Is for rabbit, hopping around. Is for sun, shining so bright. Is for train, chugging in sight. U is for umbrella, when it rains. Is for V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. U is for whale, splashing so free. Is for xylophone, playing a melody. I is for yak, sailing so fast. Is for zebra, stripes so vast. We know our ABC. Sing again and dance with me. Yay! You did it! Now you know all your letters from A to Z. Keep practicing and have fun. Bye-bye. Sing with me, dance around. Learn the letters sound by sound. B, C, D, clap your hands. Let's all learn and take a stand. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jug, full in my tummy. E is for kite, flying so high. Is for lion, king of the pride. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. L is for nest, home for the bees. Is for octopus, waving hello. W is for penguin, walking so slow. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Is for rabbit, hopping around. Is for sun, shining so bright. Is for train, chugging in sight. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. U is for whale, splashing so free. Is for xylophone, playing a melody. I is for jack, sailing so fast. E is for zebra, stripes so vast. We know our ABC. Sing again and dance with me. Yeah, you did it!